Hi everyone, Dana here, and I wanted to invite everyone to join me on a 7-day health challenge that I'm about to start in a couple of weeks. The reason I'm doing this is years ago I created the 12-week lean body system, and that was able to show women over the age of 40 how to speed up their metabolism and lose 10 kilos in 12 weeks. Well, it was a huge success. But many of the women get toward the end of that and they say to me, well, Dana, what's next? We don't want to stop. And I start to think about that, and I'm really surrounded by so many people that I love. I'm surrounded by my mum, who's 83, and my husband, who's in his early 70s. I've got all those beautiful women that I've been able to get to know on a really personal basis at Health Club 50. And then I worked with so many of those older residents in residential care. And I started to notice, working with all these different people in this age group, that there really was a pattern in those that aged less or those that aged more. And so I decided to create the Age Less program. And what I found was these patterns were around how we ate, how we moved, how our hormones were functioning, and last but not least, how much stress we had in our life. So knowing me, how I love to look into the research and the science, I've delved really deeply into that, and I've come up with a program that I now want to share with you, just to give you a taste of it for 7 days. And in that 7 days, you're going to discover some really great stuff about how to eat to be able to age slower. You're going to learn about the exercises and stress, and also all about your hormones and your sex hormones, your estrogen, your progesterone, your testosterone, and adrenaline and cortisol with your stress hormones, and blood sugars, and lots of great information to really help you to move forward in a way that's going to help you age less. So if you're interested, please just join me by clicking join now. It's free, it's 7 days, and I'm hoping that you'll share it with your friends as well, so we together as women can support each other and really grow a community where we understand that we have a choice to age in a different way to that generation before us. So girls, get on board with me. Pop your name in. We get started in a couple of weeks, and I can't wait for you to join me.